Everyone wants to be on the first page of Google, but getting there feels pretty daunting, right? The amount of SEO advice out there is overwhelming. You're not sure what you're supposed to be doing from one day to the next. And what's more, even when you learn what you're supposed to do, you still have to work out how to do it. So you follow the gurus, watch the videos, read the articles, and spend a ton of time trying to suss it all out. It can be confusing, frustrating, and very easy to give up. But what if I told you SEO could be as simple as following a checklist? The SEO checklist, in fact. The SEO checklist shows you the exact steps you need to take to optimize your website so it ranks higher in Google. It covers every important SEO action you need to take. And what's more, it comes with a set of detailed instructions for each key SEO step. I mean, we're literally talking about an idiot's guide where you just follow the process. Step 1, step 2, and so on. It's the perfect tool to help you take the right action, stay organized, and make progress up the rankings. And it also comes with 4 really cool bonuses. And look, I'm an entrepreneur, not an SEO guru. I wanted to grow my business with organic traffic, so I became an SEO expert. And believe me, I struggled to begin with. I wasted too much time, way too much money, and often felt like giving up. But I did it. I managed to rank my websites, not just on page 1, but in position 1, for multiple keywords, and for multiple businesses. And to be frank, financially, it changed my life. And I want to help you do it too. It's this real-world experience that I've built into the SEO checklist. Proven processes, simple action steps, and a comprehensive guide to getting your website onto page 1 of Google. And it's easy to get started, even if you're new to SEO and ranking websites. I think you're going to love it. So click the red button below the video, and in about 90 seconds, you'll have the SEO checklist, the step-by-step process guides, and all the bonuses in your inbox. Thanks so much for listening.